Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can add split screen effect to horizontal videos and add stroke line in Shotcut. So to do that, open Shotcut and start a project by giving it a name. Then add your videos and drag one to the timeline. Now select the clip and add a filter named Size, Position and Rotate by going to the Filter tab here or here. Then grab the handle and change its position whichever way you want by dragging it, or you can change the position from here too. Now add a new video track and drag your video to it. Well, if you don't want the audio, you sure can right click on it to detach it and then press delete key on your keyboard to delete it. Now select the new clip and add a filter named opacity by going to the filter tab here or here, just to have an idea about the position of the other clip. Well, it's your choice to keep the opacity filter at this point in time. Since I don't need it, I'm deleting it by selecting it and then by pressing the minus sign. Now select the clip and add a filter named mask draw and then click on new. It will open a new window. Now zoom out the screen by rolling the mouse wheel and select Draw Bezier and then select Layer and Fill options. Now select the split area on the screen and remember, at every point press left click on the mouse. And when you are done selecting the area on the screen, press enter on your keyboard to apply it. Then save it under File menu. And then quit or close this window. And here you can see that it's showing the split screen between two clips. And you still can adjust the position of the clip according to your needs. Just select the clip and then select the filter and change its position either by dragging it or changing it from here. Now let's add a stroke line. So to do that, add another video track and add animation under new generator menu. Here, change the length of this animation. Let's say at 20 seconds. And remember, keep it transparent and then click on open. And then drag it to the new track. Well, since I've added 20 seconds length, it won't go longer than that. So if you want to increase its length, change its time here. Now click on edit here and it will open the same window again. Now zoom out by rolling the mouse wheel. And this time under Draw Bezier tool, select Layer and Stroke options. And then draw a line on the split part of the screen. Remember, at every point of the stroke line, give it a left mouse click, and when you are done, hit enter to apply. And if you want to change the color of the stroke line, you sure can, either under Stroke tab here, or you can go here and find Stroke to not just change the color, but also opacity, width, and more. So to change the color, just double click on the color and select the color. And then hit OK. And you can change the width too if you want. Just double click on it, and either you can use this slider to increase or decrease the width, or you can add the width value manually. Remember, when you add the width value manually, hit enter to apply it. And when you are done, just save it and close or quit the window. And here you can see that this is how the split screen will look like with and without the stroke line. Now let's say add another split screen, and I'm fast forwarding this one. Now the clip has been added, and I have 3 different clips with 2 stroke lines. Now just split the clips and remove the filters from the parts of the clips you don't want. And arrange them according to your needs. And if it seems too bright, just add a color of your choice. And apply a filter named opacity and adjust its level according to your need. And then play it to see how it looks. Now export it. And play it. And this is how the video will look like. Well, if for some reason you want to edit the split part of a clip, you sure can. Just select your clip and then the filter you applied, and then click on Edit. Here, click on this Edit tool and select it. And then change it by dragging from these points. Since I don't want to, I'm pressing Ctrl+Z to undo the change. Anyhow, this is how you can not just split the screen of horizontal videos or clips, but also you can add stroke lines in Shotcut. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.